You gonna
This is how I
share?
lost my tooth.
You gonna share?
Yes.
Yeah. This is how I lost my tooth on
Cool.
Easter.
Oh yeah.
And that was.
Funny story. Me and Allie, every time we go to Neighborhood Market, we always see these things there. And last time we were told to stop playing with the toys. But these, it was a giant one of these. I love these things.
Oh, good. Maybe they kind of like it. Don't throw it at her.
Another card. Another card. It's open. It was open. Oh. Oh, that's cute.
I was
Carly.
really Suzanne.
Mine was opened. I didn't even have to open it. Santa probably looked at it.
Yep. What'd you get?
Okay, I need to count because it's a bunch of stuff. 10. $35.
Cool.
Wow. What are you telling it, Suzanne?
Not 35?
Yeah, like 35.
I got 25 out. Yeah.
I have a 20. I have a 20, a 10, then 5 1.
I have a 20 and a 5. I don't care.
Or I have 2 10s and 5s. Duh. Or 1. Or
So y'all got the same.
Yeah.
just did it in different ways.
Suggest you put your money in your envelopes,
Yes.
and we'll put them in a.
Otherwise, I'm gonna take it.
Well, I never brought up my money last.
I think it's cute though.
In your envelope, Claire. You gonna share those with me?
Carter's gonna share hers, and Claire's gonna share hers with me.
Okay. First Christmas, I'm tired in the morning.
You're always
So it
tired.
should be 12, doesn't it?
Yeah, when you actually went to sleep in. I wasn't sure if I was gonna. Yep, thank you, Claire.
What'd you get?
Oh, it's perfume.
What'd you get?
That's an iPod.
Yeah.
Oh wow!
I usually write on my note.
I got American Eagle.
I never
perfume.
looked though. I didn't look. I didn't look at it.
Did you-
complaining now?
Did you think you weren't getting? I didn't see it in that pile. He put it in your stocking.
What is this?
Carly, what is yours? What was in the?
Wonder Two.
This is perfume from American Eagle. I love
I'll have to smell it.
It's the Ice by Wonder Two. You wonder what's in it. That's why I asked what was it.
it. That sounds very fun.
I know.
Does it have things to look for or something?
Yeah. I wonder.
Sure.
It doesn't have a list.
See what Cliff Edda thinks about it.
Yeah.
She likes it.
It's sparkly and it's a stick. Something to whack Carly.
That's not what it is. What else you get, Carter?
Earrings.
I saw this as I was coming in. And it's an easel. And I've been really wanting one for a long time.
Yeah, she's.
Where did you see out when you came in this morning?
What?
You came in this morning?
No, I didn't. I went
Okay.
to the bathroom. I
Okay.
looked over here first.
What else you
It's a
get, Claire?
snowflake. Snowflake.
Snowflake, awesome.
And then
I
look,
like
sparkly.
this.
Mama.
Pop your sister, and I'll pop you with it.
Look, sparkly.
Oh, cool.
And then I got pink.
It will be.
Look, this is my best present ever.
What
More
else you
than
get?
money.
So I guess if it wasn't in your pile, you probably didn't think you were getting it, huh?
Nope.
Thank you, Sam. This is
Oh wow.
I love this.
Did you fart?
Welcome to Christmas with the Conways.